Welcome to our 11th video on word roots illustrated. The theme for this video are the Latin roots sacre and sanct, which mean holy or sacred, and the meanings of all the words hanging on the tree branches can be easily memorized using this root connection. So let's start. Our first word is sacred. The word is used as an adjective to refer to something that is very holy and worthy of worship. For example, a cow is considered a very sacred animal in Hinduism. By extension, the word can also refer to something that is highly valued or important and deserves great respect. An example would be the ritual of marriage, which is considered a sacred one in societies such as ours. If we make a noun out of this word, it would be sacredness, which would refer to the state or quality of being sacred. The next word is consecrate. Well, con is a prefix meaning thoroughly and sacrare means to dedicate. So the word literally means to thoroughly dedicate or devote as sacred. The actual meaning is close, and the word, which is used mostly by Christians, refers to an action where you officially make something such as a place or building holy through a special religious ceremony. For example, a priest can consecrate a church or even an altar for religious offerings. In this pic, we can see Pope Francis consecrating the whole world to the Immaculate Heart of Mary in an event that happened last year. The word can also mean to officially make someone a priest, bishop, etc. through a special religious ceremony, as we can see in the next picture. The word can also be used as an adjective to refer to something such as bread or wine, which has been dedicated or consecrated to God. Related word is consecration, which is a noun. Next word is sacrifice. The word ends with fic, which is a suffix that means to make or to do. So the word literally means to do something holy or sacred. A religious offering made to gods, especially by slaughtering animals such as goats, was considered as a holy act, and the same is one of the meanings of this word. Though sometimes if one gives up something valued for the sake of other considerations, it can also be called as sacrifice. An example of usage in such meaning would be, working hard does not mean that you should sacrifice your social life. Anything related to a sacrifice can be referred through the adjective sacrificial, such as a sacrificial offering made to gods. Next, we are starting the word group based on sanct, and probably the most well-known word you would ever come across is a saint. It stands for a person who is recognized as having an exceptional degree of holiness or likeness to God, like Saint Sai of Shirdi. Another popular word is sanctity. The root sanct means holy or sacred, and the suffix ity refers to a state or quality. So literally, the sanctity of something is its holiness or sacred quality. The word is used as a noun and means the state or quality of being holy, sacred or saintly, such as the sanctity of places of worship. The word might also refer to something that is of ultimate importance to a person and is hence inviolable, such as the sanctity of human life or the sanctity of institutions such as marriage. The related adjective and a word which contains both roots, sacre and sanct, is the word sacrosanct, which literally means made holy by sacred rites. Something that is sacrosanct is considered to be so important, special or holy that no one is allowed to criticize, tamper with or change it in any way, which is what the word means. For example, Golden Temple is a sacrosanct place. Another example would be, the Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and all policy and governance in India is guided by these sacrosanct principles. The word can be used in a lighter sense in the following sentence. For him, visiting a temple every Tuesday was a sacrosanct ritual that he followed religiously. And if we must derive a verb from the word root sanct, it would be sanctify. The suffix "ify" means to make or to do, so the word literally means to make something holy by means of religious rites. The word might also mean to give official acceptance or approval to something. For example, building a family through a marriage sanctified by a religious ceremony is considered one of the most sacred aspects of life. The religious ceremony itself might be called a sacrament. Though the word sacrament is used for religious ceremonies such as baptism, mostly in Christianity, an example would be, been dating for years, the celebrated couple finally decided to exchange vows and have their love sanctified by the sacrament of marriage. The word sanctification becomes a noun which carries the same meaning, that is, to make holy. As an example, a dip in the holy water of the Ganges is considered as sanctification for our souls, an activity that is believed to free us from our sins and make us holy. While all the words covered till now were positive in meaning, the same cannot be said about the present word, that is, sanctimonious. If you say that someone is sanctimonious, you disapprove of him or her because he or she is trying to show that he is morally superior to others. Like this guy who is preaching others that they should go to church every day simply because he does so. Back to our earlier words, let's try adding some more negative but interesting words to your kitty. The first of these is sacrilegious. Made up of sacre and legere, the word literally means to take possession of something sacred or holy. And if you steal something from a temple, it's a sacrilegious act. The word sacrilege means violation or misuse of what is regarded as sacred. For instance, I'm sure all of you would have heard of the famous game Temple Run, where the story begins after the player has literally committed a sacrilege by stealing the cursed statue of God from the temple, who then runs for his life as the evil demon monkeys follow him. Sacrilege is disrespectful treatment or violation of a sacred object, person or thing. When the sacrilegious offense is verbal, it's called blasphemy, and when physical, it's often called desecration. So desecration is a synonym of sacrilege. Used as a verb, the word desecrate means to treat a sacred place or thing with violent disrespect, or to spoil something which is valued or respected. For example, in this pic, we can see that vandals have beheaded the statue of Virgin Mary and desecrated it. Next word is execrate. Though in this word you can't locate the S of the word root sacre, I can assure that this word is indeed derived from the same root. It starts with the prefix X, which is infamous for forming opposites. So the word is an exact opposite of giving someone a holy treatment, and that would be cursing that guy. When you execrate someone, you curse him to show your intense dislike or hatred of him. For example, in this scene, we can see that the annoyed parents execrated the babysitter for not taking good care of the baby in their absence, who injured itself and was hospitalized. But perhaps a more intense usage would be, when the news of the Peshawar school massacre poured in, the whole world execrated, that is literally cursed, the dastardly act of the terrorists who had killed innocent and unarmed children for serving their ends. And our last word is sanctuary, which refers to a consecrated place where sacred objects are kept. The word derives from the Latin sanctuarium, and early use of this word was in reference to a church or other sacred place where a fugitive was immune from arrest by the law of the medieval church, and the same gave rise to the present meaning. The word mostly means a place of refuge or safety, but might occasionally refer to temples or churches, etc., and is in particular used for the ancient Hebrew temple at Jerusalem or for wildlife sanctuaries. Now, can you recall, wildlife sanctuaries are places where predators are controlled and hunting is illegal. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.